We have made large investments to capitalize on the growth of Southeast Asia. As you know, Southeast Asia is one of the fastest growing area in Asia Pacific. So we are investing in areas like warehousing, air freight services, inland and domestic trucking, B2C, B2B, and all of this will support our customers to enable them to support either the manufacturing or from a consumer market perspective.
What are some of the needs of the customers in Southeast Asia, and how are we meeting them in Maersk?
So I'll give you an example. I think in the Philippines is a very large FMCG consumer market. So Maersk has a strength in our domestic ocean business, which is our cabotage business, and combined with our recent acquisition of LF Logistics, which actually we have inherited 90 over warehouses in the Philippines. So the combined strength of our ocean business together with our warehousing, we are able to support the customers in their distribution work throughout the Philippines. As you know, Philippines is a very complex country with multiple islands, and distribution is a big challenge. So the combined capabilities of Maersk is now able to help our customers to distribute their products throughout the whole Philippines.